Are you a first-time home buyer and don't want to make mistakes? Now, before you take the plunge, watch this to avoid those first-time home buyer mistakes. Hi, I'm Rachel Bodner from Coldwell Banker and realestateofmass.com, and I'm here to give you 6 first-time home buyer commonly made mistakes. Number 1, not figuring out how much you can afford before house hunting. If you don't know what you can truly afford, you may be wasting your time. In order to avoid looking at homes outside of your price range, it's a good idea to speak with a mortgage agent who can give you a good price range if you give them some basic financial information. Now, your credit score is a key component of this, and if you do have bad credit, that will keep you out of the housing market until you are able to improve it. Number 2, assuming that you need a 20% down payment. Now, you don't need a 20% down payment to purchase a home, but of course, the larger the down payment, the less your expenses will be on a monthly basis. Some loan programs enable you to buy a home with 3.5% down, and others might even let you buy one with no money down. You should be aware, however, that in the current market, where multiple offers are not unusual, sellers will prefer a larger down payment. A larger down payment shows sellers that you are very qualified, and also they have less worry about the house not appraising. Now, 20% down is considered a conforming loan, and therefore you will be able to get the best interest rates available, assuming your credit is also good. Number 3, not looking for first-time homebuyer programs. There are many programs out there if you know where to look. You should ask your mortgage agent about programs that are available in your state. You may also qualify for a Veterans Affairs loan that doesn't require a down payment, or a federal housing loan that requires a 3.5% down payment. Also, there are some conventional loan programs that require a down payment as low as 3%. Number 4, running up your credit cards before your sale is final. The period between applying for your loan and closing on your home is critical. It's a mistake to get a new credit card, buy furniture or appliances, or even an auto loan before you close on your home. This could affect your credit score as well as your debt-to-income ratio and could cause your lender to pull your approval. Number 5, understanding the costs of home ownership. Remember, when you purchase a home, it's not just your mortgage payment that you'll need to budget for. You will have your heating, electric, cable, just to name a few. The bank doesn't really care about those costs, but you need to take them into consideration. In order to best budget, it's a good idea to have your buyer's agent ask the seller for their utility bills. This can give you a good idea as to what to budget once you move in. Also, don't forget to keep a cushion for any unexpected costs for repairs or needed home renovations. Number 6, not working with a realtor. A good realtor is a great source of information and guidance, as well as referrals for people that you might need along the way. Now, working with a buyer's agent does not cost you anything because the sellers pay the fee. The buyer's agent is there to represent you, and the sellers have an agent that represents them. Now, one of the buyer's agent's main job is to get you the home at the best possible price. I always put together an analysis for my buyers so that I can show them what the home is truly worth in today's market, and then they can make an informed decision. Now, I hope this video has helped to inform you what not to do as a first-time home buyer. If you would like to discuss your personal information, I would be happy to help. Again, I'm Rachel Bodner from Coldwell Banker and realestateofmass.com. I hope you have a great home buying and selling day. I look forward to hearing from you.